I love each of my sons and daughters. Before me there are no hierarchies. They all have the same spiritual capacity in their hearts to communicate deeply and directly with me. There may be difference in understanding on how to develop and live this, but the potential and capacity in the ideal would have been the same for all. It is the fall of Satan's story that has spiritually clouded my children and created hierarchies, merits, saints and less saints. Certainly not me, who as a good father and mother does not make a difference in love toward any of her children and knows how to recognize and appreciate individually the good qualities in each child. I have no children closer or farther from me. There is only a giving having that I can have deeper or shallower with each of my children. But immaturity and not growing spiritually is due to Satan, not me, and my creation, my ideal. Only one thing matters to me, and only one thing I ask of you in your life, other than not to eat the fruit out of a marriage blessed by me and to realize the 3 blessings together with me. I ask you to live your earthly life in accordance with my ideal of creation, to try to understand and develop as deeply as possible your ability to communicate directly, completely and personally with me and develop to the highest level spiritually in heart and love toward me and every person who is your brother and sister anyway. Accepting this path in your life and in the life for each person is the most important thing for the future of my humanity and fulfillment of my ideal, but most of all for you to be able to live and go fully in my kingdom. Your spiritual heart is the greatest communication system with me of all creation. It is useless for you to have debates or lectures or try to teach in your fallen schools that you are willed monkeys. Yes, of course, Satan considers you to be willed monkeys compared to him. He considers you so. He only gives you that value, and he would love to make you like monkeys spiritually living without God, without me, without a religion or some spiritual rite.